All right, OMRA subscribers and friends. I'm fixing my kerosene torpedo heater for my garage. It's gotten pretty darn cold in Chicago, and I have some projects I need to work on over the winter, including my ZX6R. I've changed the rotors, but right now I'm fixing my heater so that way I can have a comfortable, productive time working on my bike over the winter, making some improvements. And so this is it. I cleaned the spark plug, which is over here, and I thought that fixed the problem. There's a lot of good information on the internet about these things. They seem to be pretty simple. And since there's so much information on the internet, and they do seem kind of simple, at least that's the way the guys on the internet describe it, I thought, okay, if it's simple, I can do this. I've done many DIY projects and been successful at them. So basically this guy, as I said, I thought the spark plug was dirty, and I do have a video showing what it was doing before the repair. It was puffing and blowing out some toxic smoke, and I narrowed it down. That's why I'm showing you this. This goes here. I put that little mark there so that I know how to put it back together. So this is how it goes back together. Put that little mark with the screwdriver, and the spark plug goes here, and this little orifice connects into here. And I was trying to blow air through here, compressed air, which my compressed air line is here, and it didn't seem like anything was going through there. So then I said, okay, I decided to take it apart. And then when I was taking it apart, it looked like this is a feeler gauge, 28 thousandths right there, 28 thousandths feeler gauge that I was able to get in here. And you could see the light on the other side right there. And that looks like that was clogged up. So hopefully I'm going to put this back together and it's going to work. And I'll make a third video showing the torpedo heater working properly. But at least I wanted to share with you guys the source of my problem and how I fixed it. These feeler gauges, I've used them on so many things, on my water pressure cleaner, and on lots of projects. So a great investment. If you do your own work, I highly recommend getting a set of feeler gauges. See that? That's how it looks, nice and clean. I ran the feeler gauge through there a few times. And hopefully now it's gonna work. Wish me luck. Talk to you soon.